saying hi. That's very nice of you.
Oh, thank you, Rob. So I'm here with the voice actor Rob Paulsen, who's also the voice of Carl Weezer. Say hi,
That's
Carl.
right. I said, hi, Carl, but that's only because Spencer told me to say it. Spencer is really my parole officer, and he stopped me here on, was it 5th Avenue or 6th Avenue?
Yeah.
Told me I needed to give him a urine sample. Like,
Yeah.
It's New York, why not?
Yeah, it's New York. Why not? Well, I hope you have a good time when this is Neutron.
Yeah, well, Jimmy's mom has got it going on. There's a fine line between funny and felony. Bye.
Bye.